Hello everyone, Justin here with 4J Real Estate. Today I'm in Lewes, Delaware, getting ready to show a beach property, and I wanted to take a moment to share something important about what we do. As many of you know, 4J Real Estate is heavily rooted in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia markets. That's where a large portion of our clients live, invest, and build their portfolios. But what a lot of people don't realize is that we're also licensed in Delaware, Pennsylvania, and Florida. But that opens up a lot of opportunities, not just for buyers and sellers, but for agents as well. If you're an agent currently holding licenses in multiple states and trying to figure out how to streamline your business, this is a huge advantage. Being able to work under one brokerage that supports you across DC, Maryland, Virginia, and Delaware simplifies your operations, your branding, and your growth. For our buyers and investors, especially those in the DC metro market, Delaware Beach, like Lewes, offers incredible opportunities. You're looking at vacation homes, short-term rental potential, long-term appreciation, all within a few hours drive from DC. And for sellers, having a team that understands both the local Delaware market and the DC buyer pipeline is key. We're not just listing your property, we're connecting it to a much larger network of qualified buyers. So whether you're looking to buy, sell, invest, or even grow your real estate career across multiple states, 4J Real Estate is positioned to support you every step of the way. Partnering with you is what we call real estationship.